Welcome to our special report on the devastating floods that have struck Mexico, bringing with them severe destruction and heartbreaking loss. This powerful natural disaster has left a significant mark on the lives of many, highlighting the unstoppable force of nature. Over the past week, relentless rains have caused rivers to swell and burst their banks, inundating vast areas across Mexico. The torrential downpours have led to flash floods that swept through towns and cities, catching many residents by surprise and leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. The scale of the disaster is staggering. Over 100,000 people have been affected, with thousands of homes destroyed or severely damaged. The economic impact is estimated to be in the billions of dollars, with infrastructure and agriculture suffering the most. The Mexican government has declared a state of emergency in the hardest-hit regions, mobilizing resources to assist with the relief and recovery efforts. Officials are working around the clock to ensure that aid reaches those who need it most, and efforts are being made to restore essential services as quickly as possible. Experts are examining the environmental factors that contributed to the severity of these floods. Deforestation, urbanization, and climate change are believed to play significant roles in exacerbating the impact of such natural disasters. As global temperatures rise, extreme weather events like this are becoming more frequent and intense. For more information on how you can help, visit our website or contact the organizations listed here. Every contribution counts in helping those affected by this devastating flood. Thank you.